Good day mga kabayan! So for today's video, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to interface the Gamesir X1 to Android device. So ito na, yung hinahantay natin guys. To all the subscriber and for those who comment na gawin ko tong video na to, thank you. This is a challenge for me and now I did it. So i-share ko sa inyo tong tutorial na to para makatulong sa inyo na gamitin yung X1 Gamesir to your Android devices. But take note guys, this tutorial hindi to gagana or it will not work for those Android devices who has or who had MTK chips. So I'm gonna use my S9 Plus. It's not a MTK chips. I think it's Exynos. I'm gonna show you on how also to know your chipset. Merong application na ida-download and this is included in my video. So without further ado, let's start the process and the tutorial. So just keep on watching until the end of the video para malaman nyo yung buong step-by-step process. And thank you again guys. So let's start this. Okay, let's start. So I'm using my S9 Plus Android phone and I'm gonna show you what is my CPU, Samsung Exynos 9810. Just install this application and then open it. So then you can see what is your processor, what chips are being used in your phone. So my S9 Plus is Samsung Exynos. Also, as you can see, I have battledock here pre-installed. And pwede naman din natin, or I can remove this one to show you guys on how to go through this Android version using battledock. So let's uninstall first. Okay, you can see or you can search the battledock for Android. So here it is. You can see there is battledock. There you go. The Gamesir website also offering an battledock application actually. Here is for Android. So you can click this one, download for Android. If you click this one, of course, you have to wait, and if it's finished downloading, you can install it. For me, I have downloaded this one, so let's skip the process of downloading. So I have this. Let me check in my downloads. Here, as you can see, I have my battledock APK here. So all you have to do is install. Just wait for a moment. In this process, it's much easier than we used the Gamesir World before. I think I also use Gamesir World, and there's a lot of process to be used and lots of process to be done. Here, you just install this battledock. Then you can open this one. The key will be displayed entering the game. So actually yes, it's true. So you should maintain this application through the background. So let's exit. Okay, you should also have the Pubg mobile installed in your cell phone or your tablet or your Android devices. So mine, I have installed the Pubg mobile. You should install the G-Crooks. And in this website, Also, you can find the software download for Gamesir G-Crooks. Then you just click this in. On this, go to download for Android or iOS. I have downloaded the G-Crooks. So we already installed the G-Crooks and the FPS dock. Then what the next step would be, let's make sure, of course, that our Gamesir is connected through Bluetooth. So as you can see there, our FPS dock underscore ED86 was connected. And let us open the G-Crooks. Okay, then press the device management and then choose your Gamesir X1. And as you can see that there is a check mark. It means that it already connected to your Gamesir X1. So let this G-Crooks run also into your background. And let's open the FPS dock. So there is a message that's shown here. The key will be displayed when entering the game. So, and then there will be a blinking message, keep running in the background. So don't close it, just keep it there. Run to your background. Okay guys, we are talking to the toggle of the Android device and toggle of the iOS device through the keyboard by pressing Ctrl F1 and Ctrl F2. If, for example, I press the Ctrl F2, you will see in the screen of the Pubg that this is disconnected. And if I press again the Ctrl F1, then you will see that the devices was being connected again to the Gamesir. So that is the most important thing to do, guys, so that we can like switch the mode of the Gamesir if you're having two devices, if you're having Android and iOS device. So here guys, as you can see, here is my keyboard, here is the Gamesir device, and here is the mouse. Alright, all we have to do is toggle or press Ctrl F1. That would be for the Android devices, and then if you press F2, Ctrl F2, you can see of the Gamesir is blinking, yeah, and it means that the toggle on the iOS device was changed. Then all we need to do is the F1 to toggle again for the Android device. Okay, that would be the signal that the Gamesir is being toggled to Android mode. Okay, like mine, I have the iPod Air, and here I'm using my S9 Plus. For portion, you can see, if you press that one, you will see the MCU updated. Then we will see a icon here like settings. If you press that one, there would be in the left side, the unselected config, there would be a, before there would be a Pubg official configuration, and the second Pubg official configuration key, Control 2, but I already transfer it to selected config. So I'm using now the key Control 1, and then don't change the other settings here, just leave it there. So it config list, leave it there, and then just go to right config for us to be able to interface the FPS dock configuration. So here the configuration was fine, I guess. All we have to do is let's try in the training. Okay, let's to try again. Right config, so we can go for the training. There you go, press the TPP and then let's wait. You can see there is a cursor here, so all I have to do is press the wheel button. I have the wheel button on my mouse, so if I press the wheel button, oh see, yeah, so there it goes. You move left and right, move up and down for the viewing, and then let's see if the keyboard will work. Oh yes guys, it worked. So the toggle of walking, sprinting is here. Let's try to jump. There you go. Let's try to duck. There you go. Let's try to crawl down. There you go. Let's try to jump again. Alright, let's try the lean mode. It's not working, so all we have to do is let's configure. Okay, here, so the E button should be, or the E key should be in the lean mode right, and the Q should be in the lean mode left. Alright, so again we will press the settings and then press the right config for us to apply whatever updated or whatever configuration you did. Alright, and then you see the cursor. Again, press the wheel button of your mouse, so it will be done. But I guess there is no more weapon here. So all we have to do is there you go. Sorry guys, in this area, so let's see, press the G button. Alright, so we have the M7, and press again the H button for the Groza. Alright, so we selected that one and we look for the ammo. Okay, for the ammo, no, the ammo of Groza is the same. The ammo of the Groza should be this F and G. I know my favorite weapon here guys is actually the M4. So all we have to do is press the G to get the M4, and the ammo, press the F again, so we get more ammo. Alright, we should get maybe a level 3 bag G, the 6 scope, and let's try the G again for the scope. For the Groza, let's try the secondary, so we press 2 in the keyboard. Alright, let's try the lean mode, but wait a minute, I think the lean mode is not there again. Let's try to configure again here. Put the lean mode there. Actually, the lean mode is very important when you're playing PUBG. Okay, let's write the config again. Oh, what happened? Maybe I should, okay. So, and we will try this one. Put there, so you are ready. Let's try, what do you call this? This one. Okay, maybe we should save our configuration. Uh, Wait, how we can... Okay, we save it. Okay, so there it is. Cancel. And press again the wheel button of your mouse. Alright, so the lean mode is already remapped. Alright, so here, yeah. Okay, let's use the M4. My favorite gun. It's quite okay to play, but I think for me, iOS or using iPad or iOS or Apple, like iPad or iPhone, would be more smooth than this one. That's what I think. Okay. Alright. It would be smooth as it is. Alright. So it's working, guys. I hope that I already helped you for those who's using Android devices and just enjoy the game of Pubg using keyboard and mouse and the Gamesir X1. So let me enjoy this also. Hopefully guys this helped. Thank you again. God bless. Good day. And don't forget to share this video to your fellow gamers. And hopefully we will see you again on my next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe.